October 9th, and I am purposely staying away from my other properties because there's really only one buck for the rest of the postseason that's really on my radar that I like to see show up. So I'm on another piece of private land that we have that honestly has the potential to have state records in. Like seriously, I've seen some of the biggest deer on camera back here, but they're so nocturnal. I've had some opportunities at some good ones, but I've never put it together back on this place. So anyway, I'm hoping just to come in here and shoot a doe tonight, but man, I hope I'm not tempted with something big. Because I am not strong enough. I like to shoot. Let's see if we can get lucky. My bow for the past hour. I can't even put it down. That buck was huge. He was at 50 yards for forever. Wow, I've never seen a body on a deer like that before. He was old. I don't even want to shoot a buck because of the potential of a hit lister that I have on another property. I don't think if he would have came in, I could have passed him. I don't think I could have passed him. That was a giant deer. I still have deer around me. has been a crazy night. I never thought I was going to have a night like this back here. What is going on? This cold front has got them on their feet big time. Got more deer coming out of the thicket. I think we got a doe down. Gosh, it has been one crazy night. I mean, literally it's been non-stop. Well, I'm gonna wrap this up and get down here and go find her. I know she didn't go far, I'm pretty much sure her fall. Dad's on his way to help me drag her out. Well, that is about as fun a hunt as I've ever had. Almost as fun as Jackie Chan's, but man, the deer movement was crazy. I can't wait for November. Man, I can't wait.
Woo. All right. Well, here she is. 22-yard shot. Complete double lung. She only ran, I don't know, she might have ran 50 yards and just fell right over. Those Rage broadheads, you put them in the right spot. Works every time. It was awful fun hunt tonight, as you can see by all the footage. That buck has to be, I don't know, he got to be 5 or 6 years old. His body's just huge. Wish he would have came in the range, because I probably would have had to shoot him. I don't think I could have passed that. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, Salt Doggies is out.